Holy crap. It's early. I just woke up. We're going to check out the Breakers trailer. Ginyu. Released. 30 seconds. Okay, let's go. They're here. Unleash your power. Oh, CG. What the heck, Raccoon? His hair looks blonde. Very bright. Brighter. Wow, they look good. Dende's playable. Dende's playable. I thought they would do that. Yo, that's it. Damn. They're really teasing it for a game that's like on the brink. Yo, Dende though that's got to be a survivor, a new survivor, for sure. So I wonder how they're gonna do that. So who's first? Goldo would be the first form. That's kind of lame though. Maybe like Jace. No. Maybe Raccoon. And then Raccoon has Goldo, and then Jason Birder, then Ginyu, or maybe just all four. 5. Wow, that was short. Really short. I guess we should watch the whole live stream, or maybe like skim through it. Imagine staying, waking up for that. I don't know, having no idea what they're saying. So Goldo, oh yeah, Ginyu. There's the official artwork. Damn, look at all the shading. Yo, the artwork goes pretty hard. Ginyu looks awesome. They all look good. All right, so he has a volley thing. I don't know. That's his key blast there. Time freeze. Pose. Freeze. That's still the freeze. Level 1. He is level 1. Raccoon 2. You got the eraser gun. I think that's kick or something. A dash attack. And then that's the bomber. Jason Birder. But who do you play as though? It looks like, well, there's a disc here. Well, that's probably both of them. Both of them? Maybe it's like 2 at the same time, just hovering around. Nah, no way. Maybe it is duo. So maybe they're preparing for Goku Black and Zamasu. They're like testing it out. Make sure it works. Goldo. Oh yeah, so we're back to level 1. He goes to Raccoon. What else? Raccoon. Oh wait, Raccoon's here too. Is he? Oh yeah, he's like support after he evolves. And Ginyu. Damn, look at this Ginyu art. Okay, this one looks weird. That's the weirdest Ginyu art I've ever seen. Jesus. Okay. There's Jace dying. He has the Bomber DX, whatever the heck that is. Breaker Cannon, whatever. Milky Cannon. What am I looking at here? Speed up, attack up. If they live. Change now. Oh, that's his final form? Wait, that's kind of interesting. Well, what if it's Goku? That'd be cool. Like an evil Goku. So how does that work when you transform? And Dende's the new support. He has a heal. Always a heal ability? Yo, healer. Healer character. Wow. King Kai. And the monkey guy. That's something. I never. King Kai is gonna be putting in work now. So what does he do? What the heck is he doing there? Telepath. Interesting. I wish I could read that. Baba. Baba has another support. Has another new character. What the heck? What's this? Super Saiyan Bardock. Nice. Super Saiyan Goten. Just make everyone Super Saiyan. It's a Super Saiyan bargain sale. Super Saiyan 2 Gohan. Nice. Real nice. Okay. That's all. Is that all the transfers? No. Oh man. Well, that's, I guess the beginning. Oh, they're actually playing? Oh my god. They got gameplay. Son Gohan. So he's, damn. We out here. This is a long stream. It's only 17 minutes in. So your Goldo, he's oh, so King Kai, he has the monkey guy doing something. He already used up one of his abilities. What was that? What was that? Let me see if there's like some secret I'm missing here. Baba. Dende. Ginyu Sentai. So what is he doing there? He's sensing. For what? Oh, it reveals their names on the map. Or that always happens. Why is this such low quality? What have I been doing? I guess it's just key sense. That's gotta be. Yeah. It just revealed where he is. No one else is near him. It's kind of. I mean, we don't really need that. I mean, it's kind of good though, actually. In the beginning, you can know where he is. Like, absolutely. That's Goldo's killing attack. I always love these like live streams of the games by like these random people. I don't know who these people are. The Dragon Ball live streams where they play the game. Like, do these people know? Well, they must know Dragon Ball. Have they ever played this? Dude, they're playing with the controller. Well, this guy's put the Raider's playing with the keyboard. He knows what's up. Which one's the right? Is it really the right? On the guy on the right? So he's gonna transform. Raccoon comes in. That's cool. What does he do for to destroy an area? He butt blasts. What the heck? How does that work? Oh, he just shoots a beam, yeah. Alright. Kaio. Kaio. Oh, underneath King Kai's pants. They're laughing, I think. It's just white. Everyone's looking at the King Kai's... Wait, what the heck? Did they cut it? Well, how'd he get out of the water? Wait, what? Dude, it's a hard cut? They did a hard cut on the live stream? Is that even legal? But this is not like... What the heck? This is recorded, right? Recorded live stream? Wait, what happened there? Oh, let's watch Raccoon. I thought it was gonna be like a straight shot. Straight, no cutted, no edited run. It was a cut, yeah. Man, they had to cut, they had to edit the gameplay. I wonder what happened. They were just not talking. So he has a shout and a Raccoon kick, I guess. It's like a dash. That's it. That's all he has. Oh, over here. I don't know what that is. What's 2? So let's see how this works. Jason Birder. It's okay. It's just Jace. That's what I was thinking. It's gonna be Jace. That'd be cool to be Birder though, because he's tall and he's like he has like the same vibe of Frieza second form. Man, Birder's cooler, man. They should have just made us be Birder. You should be able to switch between Birder and Jace, really. But oh well. Damn. I would have loved to have been Birder. But I guess you're already Raccoon. He's a big character. Damn. Birder getting the side side treatment.
もうめっちゃいってるめっちゃいってるめっちゃいってる
Oh damn, Dende.
なるほどなるほど今そうですね
強っ
クラッシャーボールと連続エネルギー弾コンボが使ってる
Oh, they both kill. They both do the kill screen.
わあ鍵が見つかんないぞ
King Kai's hand. I can't believe King Kai is gonna be a character.
はいはいはいはい
さあ
軍刀から作的
Oh man, he's gonna devour. Crusher ball.
さらにグルドもはいはいはい
強い
はい見てる開発チームの精鋭たちが
Damn, this game can be rough.
していきますね
これがやりたいんですよ。
Watch he like Raider camps. Oh, he's doing like the Jace pose when he goes down.
風の子さんはすかさずちょっとテレパシーやるかも。
So he has Crusher ball and something else, some disc. I don't know what that is.
はいはい
His one skill.
はいはいはいはい見えたよ
やばい
Hi, hi. All right. I don't know what that is. Power up. What is that one? Number 3.
全員生き残ってたからダメージアップ
Oh, what the heck? He's Ginyu. When did this happen? Like,
これいやらしく
Ginyu. He's like, hey, you guys are still alive.
はいはいはいはい
Okay, so wait, was that? It just slowly goes up? Is that the new thing?
回ってますね
Did they cut there?
はいはいはいはい
No, they didn't cut. Okay, so it goes up slowly. His meter. So he's like Vegeta. Ginyu, nice. He's like a fast key blast, scatter blast. Change now. Wait, what is this? Change now is just the regular skill 1. What? It's not like an. Is that his ultimate? Like you can only use that once or something? Whoa, this is crazy. I want to see that. They better show that in the gameplay. Oh, when he teleports, he has his arm crossed. Arms crossed there. Wow, it looks like it's pretty hard to actually fight with the Ginyu.
全てのスキルが引き継がれ
うわあそれ犯人やられたか
Oh, when he kills someone, he always does the pose. That's weird. I guess. I guess he should do the other pose like that or something. That's something else. Like I guess they could change it. Oh, do the bomber thing. Oh, he's doing that there. He's doing the pose there.
今 C に落ちましたからね
2個とも
Okay. Didn't really show him doing the key blast too much. Maybe because the pose, he was in the pose, it looked weird. That's really hard to. Wow, he can't really laser beam. But he has. Okay. Oh wow, he has the tornado attack and Jace. Maybe that's why.
あダウンしてた
That's really interesting key blast he has. What the heck? Wait, how? Okay, that's King Kai's thing.
ダウンしてた
They're screaming.
今のあった
Wait, when did he do that? He threw the monkey?
一瞬でやられた
Where'd he come from?
あダウンしてたえ
攻撃ですらも入っているので、
今のあった
Damn. Most OP skill coming. The monkey.
強っ
いいよ OK
Damn. People dying. So who's out? Oh, there's two survivors left. Which one are there? Oh, so King Kai's dead.
ですね
I guess she's Bulma. Oh no, she has the paper.
さあどうする
This guy's reading
裏の
something.
方持ってるよ来た
Who are these other people?
はいイエ
強っ
Oh, he won, dude.
あまりにも強い
It's just up to Baba.
ーイ見つけたこっちか
What? All right, so we gotta watch this. Something
ドライ
happened.
バーはどこだ
Who's left? Who is this person on the screen? I think this might be just some other guy. The pro. This must be staged. They told him to do the change. Oh. Wait, what? Wait, what?
最後の一人なんでね、もう無条件で、はい、勝利。
ありました
いやー、私ここから先をちょっと見たかった。
Wait, what? Oh my god. So it doesn't take his, not just his character as Baba, but it takes his created character. That's really weird. What? It just yoinks his created character out of the library, out of the game files instead of just being Baba.
だったんでまだちょっとその必殺技が
I
使い切れなか
guess.
ったんですけど、バータージースがいる状態でのギニがめちゃくちゃ追っかけるのが早くて
Hayate.
というより
So I don't know, they might change that though.
思いましたね
Like if you do change now with Bulma, you become not Bulma but the created character. That's kind of weird, but I guess that's okay. I suppose. No, not only that, you become their transformed character. Tier 3, maybe. Is that what's happening? They're doing another game. Look at Baba on the thing, on the scooter. They had to make it work somehow. Or is that how Oolong does it?
これ多分レベル2、2人変身。
やばいやばいちょっとね
What was he got? Raccoon kick? Well, he was slowing down time there. Wait, what the heck? Yeah, he was using Goldo to stop
防い
time.
できたんで。
Jojo the game?
プレイヤーですか
プレイヤーですかあれ
それぐらいの働き
PC ではない
ないんじゃないかと。これも。
Um,
ですね完全に
right here.
そう仲間なんですよね
So he uses Goldo.
やばいやばいやばいちょっとね
I don't know when he used them, but he did.
うまい
I didn't see anything you get used up here.
いや追いかけるのも早いあと1個かも
They should do Crusher Ball to destroy an area. I guess.
めちゃうかなと思ったんです。
What else?
大貫さんと風の子さんのボディチェンジ見れるんじゃないですか。
There's no, bro, level 1.
ちょっとかっこいい B 出る追い風だか
He's going easy on him.
これは公式だけ
What's happening?
ボディチェンジしようと思ったら消しちゃいました
Oh, they all won. That's what happens when they win.
面白い
Huh?
攻撃力アップで
あそういう
リ
ことです
キュー部分だ
あまりに
I guess. That's a weird win screen.
あリク
早めに
Could they have done anything else? I guess nothing as cool.
いい回です。
組んだって
皆さんのねあの戦いにも
They do another game.
なぜだかわからないけど
Oh, they're all planning.
僕まで緊張してきましたね。
なぜだかわからないけど僕も緊張してました
I mean, what else could they show?
確実にもう技術持ってるんで。
Baba. So what does Baba have here? Something down.
見てたんですけどね。
A shield or something? I don't know what that is. Baba has a rocket clipping through her hat.
でロケットランチャーでロックバッ
That's not a big deal. I think that they made the rocket smaller for Baba when she has it right here. How's Baba place it?
さすがにちょっとね
Baba being a character is really interesting, actually. That's a weird character to choose. Pretty bold, you know, it's floating all the time. So they can do a lot. They're just showing like they can have pretty much any character. Oh, this is a new map? They have like, I just realized that. Or it looks like the other one. Or is it like a modified of a current map? Because that's where they landed. Ginyu map. It looks the same, but it's different, isn't it? It's like reused assets, but like, or wait, this looks like the same map though. That one map,
これがホーミングするんですよこの技
but like slightly modified.
でそしてグルドが奥にいるんじゃないですかあの緑は
Or I guess they rearranged it. I mean, rearranged the parts. I don't know.
になってる間になんとか
Dende. Wait, the Dende healed him. Dende gameplay.
マルチロックなんでも複数のサバイバー狙っていってますね
Dende has a gun. I mean, everyone could just heal, so it doesn't make. Yeah. Dende, I don't know if he has like special healing ability.
しかもこれ大貫さん助けに
She's crawling with the ball, the crystal ball. 俺は
あの味方の これは
反省会がはかどりますねこれは
What happened to? And this Raider is relentless, bro.
いやいやいやいや
He's not pulling punches. King Kai is the last one. Bro, there ain't no way, man. There ain't no way. That game's tough, man.
のために魂を
Oh, they're showing stuff here.
その味方のために魂を与えてその味方を強くしたり
What the heck is that spirit? Is that her
一気に
spirit?
回復してもらった時にいきなりもうバリアが解けたらいきなり動けるようになった
When she dies, wait, what?
自分が
Let
や
me
ら
see
れ
this.
てもその味方のために魂を与えて
Her spirit. Does it stay there?
その味方を強く
Maybe
し
she
た
can
り
be brought back to life even if she's dead.
だとかデンデに
Is that
回
her
復しても
ability?
らった時に
I can't read
いきなりも
this.
うバリアが解けたらいきなり動けるようになったりとか普段だったら若干隠れてなかったりしなきゃいけないんですよねやっぱり直してもらったので
やっぱり
バリアが取れてやっぱそういうなんか新しい要素もありましたし今やっぱ数の
Yappari. What does that mean?
順調に
やっぱり
ギニューになられちゃうと
It's up to me.
結構手がつけられない
It's up to me.
のかなと思ったのが戦略
それじゃやっぱり。
についてなんですがパッシブス
Bardock Super Saiyan. Nice. They had to add this, yeah.
キル
For sure.
運命を変える強さ
Hopefully he gets a new attack.
まして
Super
レ
attack.
ベル4でのアルティメットドラゴン
Bardock.
ちょっと3戦目で出て
Gohan
ました
Super
が
Saiyan 2.
そうしてると
What's this about? 3 spirits on the floor? And then Father, Son, Kamehameha. There's 3 spirits on the floor.
味方が離脱した場所に魂が
What does that mean? I can't read Japanese. I'm gonna send this to a friend I know. It says up something. Maybe you can translate that.
出現しますので、先ほど倒したとなってますのでぜひ
Goten? Who cares about
ください
Wait, did Goten not have Super Saiyan?
探索衝動スキルに関しては
Oh, yeah, I guess so.
アイテムボックスを開くたびによろしくお願いしますシーズン3に
I like how Trunks is not getting Super Saiyan.
はいパワーアップした C シーズン
So that's it right there. King Kai. He looks scared to death. Baba's like, let's get it. Dende is doing his Dende thing.
ご期待ください、ここで5から
Gokumate. That Ginyu picture right there. I think that's it. Okay. We'll wrap that up with that. GG's. GG's, guys. Wow. So that was pretty cool. When does that come out? 6/9. Oh, wow. A week left. Wow. Wow. I'm hyped, though. I'm pretty hyped. Damn, we got Fortnite coming up, too. Damn. Well, at least I completed the battle pass for Breakers. Oh, man. It's going to be busy. It's going to be busy soon. Oh, thanks for watching, guys. What'd you guys think? Are you excited? Who are you excited most for? Let me answer my own question. I wish Birder was playable. That sucks. I guess, you know, Jace. I guess. I'm most excited for... Baba is actually cool. King Kai is cool. Baba's cooler. King Kai is cool just by himself. But Baba might have some interesting attacks. I don't know. She looks... she has that spirit thing going on. And Ginyu. Yeah. All right. We'll see what happens. Coming up. Thanks for watching.